Oh, that was satisfying. Look at all of that.
Dang.
Oh my gosh.
It smells so good, bro.
It smells like hot cocoa.
It's going already.
Ooh.
Why is it turning that color already?
Hey, turn it down, turn it down.
Whoa, it's burning. You smell it, right?
Hey, stop. Goddamn.
Bro, hand me a plate.
Wait.
Bro, get it out.
Hurry up, turn it off.
Wait, what the hell is it?
It's up in there. It's dissolved, bro.
What? Y'all? Fried cookie dough? I guess it's a no-go. What did you just drop that on my floor? Look, we're gonna be right back. We're gonna try this again. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Meech, and we back with another video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. As you can see, today we are here with another episode of Cooking with Meech. And I got my boy, Debo with me.
Good day to you people.
And my boy Renzilo behind that camera. Yes, yeah. So before we get to this video, make sure you leave a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you want to see other videos. Some like this, and some not like this. But let's get to that intro.
Go subscribe to the life of Meech.
Welcome to the life of Meech. Go grab some food and sit back on your seats. You know Meech finna release. Go get your uncle, your auntie, your niece. We finna put on a show. 1 to 1 million, you already know. The video jumping, the intro is bumping, so let's get this video up on the road. My life is so true. This what I do with my bro Debo. Can catch up, you too slow, so y'all better click on my face. Cause me taking over, can't wait on the cover, so I'm getting started today. Now we got vlogs on the way, but the challenges we never play. And the switch they be jumping in with the podcast, you know I'ma say what I'ma say. I'ma say what I'ma say. Videos how you can handle. Come and subscribe to the channel. Meech ain't never ever flop. Make sure you share, you like, and you comment.
So today, we're gonna be making some fried cookie dough. I know we done fried Hot Pockets. I know we done fried fruit, but today we're gonna be doing fried cookie dough. I'm sorry. Let's get to it. So the first thing you wanna do is get you some cookie dough. Oh,
I just want to see
what are you doing?
I'm sorry, I just want to see y'all.
I thought you was taking your shirt off. I'm like, what? Alright, so step 1, get you some flour. You know what I'm saying? And don't get you some flour. Put that little flour in there. Oh wait,
Do we have to measure how much flour is it a certain amount?
we are. Let me check. Also, I think it was like 1/4 cup of flour. I don't.
Is this from this?
Maybe it's 1/3. Yeah.
Meech,
Huh?
you know this. I said look up the directions.
Boy, hold on.
Oh, I know how to do it. I know how to do it.
Entertain the people because I gotta be right back.
Alright people, so as he has said before, we have the flour going on right here. And today, I'm pretty sure people have seen from the title, we're gonna make some fried cookie dough. So, we got the cookie dough right here. We got us some chocolate chip cookie dough.
Alright, here we go. We gotta go 1 1/2 to 2. What? It just say. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna be making up our own measurements.
Oh, you know what I'm saying?
It don't. I thought it did. So, look, for all my black folks out there, you better look.
Are we pretty much just dipping the balls in the flour?
Yeah. So,
Coat it? Oh,
unlike usual, you know what I'm saying? We don't really have to make a real like batter or whatever. Like what we have to
You need
use.
more than that.
I do.
A lot more than that. Don't be afraid now. Put it in there.
I'm sorry. But we don't need like a wet batter, if that makes sense. We don't have to like coat it because it's cookie dough. So we don't need a wet batter. And then what you want to do is you want to take some pecan powder and then put
I'm like, huh? Put a little bit over that now.
Not baking soda, baking powder.
Bro,
hey, hold on.
what? I didn't know baking powder was a thing.
Well, I didn't know that the baking powder in it. I was about to get the cheapest thing I saw.
Baking soda.
All right, and then you want to get you some salt. Put you a little bit of salt, which I thought was weird at first, because I'm like, we gotta put salt. But get you some salt.
I just want to make sure you don't go a little. You
Yeah,
got some hands.
All right,
You got some hands on you.
and then let's bring the sugar out. Get a little bit of sugar up in there. There we go. Oh, that looks sexy, bro. All right, that's enough. All right, Debo, can you go ahead and whisk that together for me, brother? Go ahead and whisk that together as soon as you get done.
How much sugar did you put in it, bro?
I don't know, should I put some more?
Maybe. I didn't see you put a lot.
Gonna add a little bit more sugar for good measure. And by the way, y'all don't gotta be professional chefs.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? We just coming up with different ideas.
Oh, nice and simple.
Nice and simple. All right. So while he's doing that, we're gonna go ahead and start chopping the cookie dough up. And we're gonna make some cookie dough balls. And we're gonna make some cookie dough balls. Bro, no! Hey, it's clean. I just cleaned my floors, bro.
Hey, I ain't nothing off the floor.
Right! Exactly.
Boy, these Uggs done freaking slid on these
5-second rule.
Oh, hey, no, ain't no 5-second rule.
My Uggs done trudged on these floors. I ain't finna. Look at these. You been eating under these. You been dealing with the guy. You don't even want to know what I done stepped on.
I pay for it.
Oh, man.
All right, here you go.
Yeah, alright.
All right, so
I think I should keep.
Wait, where's the part that fell on the floor?
The bottom part on the floor. He gonna eat those, and me.
Oh,
Cause I ain't doing it. Hey.
heck no.
oh shoot. You know what? You gotta lay it down before you.
I was just trying to cut it in the bro.
I don't know. There we go.
Tell myself like.
My boy trying to cut it in the
Tell my
air.
he cook. You finna cut something.
Here we go.
No cutting board or nothing.
Meech. Did you clean the counter? Why'd you cut up the whole thing for?
That's enough.
Golly.
Oh
All right,
my
here
god.
we go. So let me get this grease started real quick. All right. So we're gonna ball them up.
Meech, you need to cut that a little bit
Thinner.
less. Yeah, definitely.
I need to cut yours again too, or you can cut yours because I cut pretty good. You gotta do your own.
Can you get one of those?
No. Here.
Yeah, thank you.
You gotta cut it up a little bit more.
I will. Just put it in there. I'm cutting mine in the bowl.
You can be smart.
Wait, no, I was say another knife or something. Thank you.
Here we go.
No,
What you trying to say?
no, you just need to rinse. Gotta rinse the utensils before you use the people.
Kobe!
Oh! Alright. Here we go. I feel like you're gonna have more than me.
Most likely. But this is for 2 people.
Alright, yeah, you're right. So y'all ever play with Play-Doh or whatever? That's what it kind of feel like. So we're just making
Little balls.
little balls. Making little cookie balls.
You sound so weird saying that, bro.
You really
Making
do.
little balls.
Little cookie.
Making little cookie balls.
Oh my god. So,
I ain't never need nobody else to tell me what I gotta do, I gotta plan. Yeah, go. Money overflowing in my pockets, need a bag cause I've been holding in my pants. Yeah, go. I don't even need them. Got them looking at me cause I beat them. Now they finna see this how I treat them. So nothing coming like an easy. Jewelry on my wrist and on my neck. Ballin' with the shots and I'm a wreck. I ain't gotta worry about a check. You know when I come direct. Feel like a man cause I started with nothing. Now I'm on the road to $1 million, no problem. If I got money, my brothers got money. I told them don't worry, they know that I got them. Too many worries and too many problems. I want them to give me, they got me upset. I knew I'm coming, don't beat it, I'm running. I'm coming back for you, don't never forget. Stay on the move, not settling. Already feel like a veteran. All of the nights I spent working on music. All you tell me what they said again. Working all night, no sleep. Working every day, I'm on repeat. I ain't never let it put me down. Though I staying on me, put me something like a G. I ain't finna stop now, man, I've been rolling. Hunting for something to keep me going. I don't know, I should've never folded. Fighting for a living, not a token. I only finish one song in a week. But for some reason, I'm still feeling geek. Maybe cause I'm going up in the steep. Came in to look down when I'm at the peak. Yeah, that I won't smoke on the
So, we got them all rolled up. You know what we about to do. We about to get them up in here and cover these bad boys up.
Don't put them all in there at once.
No, why would I do that?
I'm just saying.
All right, let's go.
are we using the tongues or are we gonna?
You want to use it? You just roll them around.
I think you're better off just doing this. See, you don't cook meat. It's gonna be cooking with Devo.
Oh god. Look. Okay, before you do that, roll them up again, cause remember your fingerprint gonna be in there.
All right, yeah.
Unless you want to mark it.
I think just do one hand and just. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, that's
Thank you.
one time, I don't joke, yeah. Might as well call me the GOAT. I'm a lone soul, all I see is one person in my goals. I ain't serving, that is how I gotta go. It ain't no tricks, I ain't had to hit no licks. I ain't had to sell no bricks, I just been working. Right until my fingers hurt it. Can't say I did with the work. Rolling no jewelry, then shine out the icy. Maybe that's what all these buzzers don't like me. Know that I'm next, don't need no reps. Cause it ain't nobody else that's like me. I ain't never need nobody else to tell me what I gotta do, I gotta plan. Yeah, go. Money overflowing in my pockets, need a bag cause I've been holding in my pants. Yeah, go. I don't even need them. Got them looking at me cause I beat them. Now they finna see this how I treat them. So nothing coming like an easy. Jewelry on my wrist and on my neck.
So,
Wait, before you start, I'm sorry. Are we dip frying these or are we just deep frying
deep
these?
frying.
You're putting them in there and they gonna sit until they're ready.
All right, so before we get started, y'all already know we gotta make sure the angle is ready.
There you go again. There you go again.
I didn't put a lot in there that time.
No, yes you did.
I can see the smoke. I can see it. All right, here we go.
Alright, we finna pay to see nothing.
Right.
Alright,
We gonna see the light, boy. Here we go.
we got the
Here we
first
go.
batch.
The first batch. Let's go.
Trying to find a good one. Just let me know when you're ready.
You ready?
Oh, that was satisfying. Look at all of that.
Dang.
Oh God, it smells so good, bro.
It smells like hot cocoa. Let's get it over there.
It's going already.
Ooh.
Why is it turning that color already?
Hey, turn it down. Turn it down.
Whoa, it's burning. You smell it, right?
Hey, stop. Put a goddamn.
Bro, hand me a plate. Hand me a plate. Hand me a plate.
Wait.
Bro, get it out. Get it out. Get it out.
Hurry up, turn it off.
Wait. What the hell is it?
It's up in there. It's dissolved, bro.
What? Y'all. Fried cookie dough. I guess it's a no-go. What did you just drop that on my floor? Look, we're gonna be right back. We're gonna try this again. Y'all, look at all this. I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all can't even see the smoke because the camera's so good. But boy, this is a fail like a mug. We gonna come back and we gonna try it again. But my eyes is burning.
My nose starting to burn, bro.
Well, we have to open up the window.
Had to let up the
It's bad. It's bad. Look, Wisconsin. Come on, man. What are y'all doing?
Meech, you can see your car from here?
Yes, boy.
How covered is your car?
I'm gonna have to brush it off when I go into work in the morning. Oh, it's terrible, y'all. I don't know what we did wrong.
Yeah. Try to go in the front room. What is wrong with you, bro?
Wait. Oh my, it is foggy in here.
Bro, hold on. Okay, so y'all just seen what happened. So we just took a short break and we put the cookie dough in the freezer for a little bit and let it harden up a little bit because we went back and did a little bit of research because it's important to do research, right? It's important to do research when you're doing stuff like this. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna resort. I remember y'all know when we did the fried fruit salad. We did the best. Bro, what did you do?
Best quick. What are you talking about? Oh, is it bothering you? I'm sorry, bro.
That's making me very uncomfortable.
I'm sorry, bro.
Anyways, we did the Bisquick and
Wait, what? So you said something else. Bisquick.
We hit this bitch quick.
pancake mix. And you know what I'm saying? We're gonna basically put it in there, get it wet, and then mix it up.
We're gonna get the balls wet. We're gonna play around with them a little bit.
Batter them up
Batter.
and put them in the fry. All right, let's do this. You go ahead.
Go ahead, I'll do the honors.
Meech. It ain't go warm up fast on low.
I'll do the honors.
A little bit more.
This one, wait. It's just finna get wet, and I don't know. Especially with the mix. Just hold on, let me just. Am I mixing this? No, I'm not mixing this with the. No, I'm mixing this with what we had, right? Wait.
No.
So what you're doing is
Let's just put.
you're
We
mixing.
had the flour. We had the flour. We had the sugar. We had the bacon stuff. The baking.
So you want to just put it all together?
That's what she did with the milk.
Oh, let's go.
That's basically what we
right.
doing. That's basically what
So put a little baking powder in there. That should be good. Now add some flour. Okay, a little bit more.
Well, you a baby when it comes to cooking, boy.
Man.
Well, I ain't trying to pour a whole bunch in there. All right, then we get some sugar. Ooh, look at this. Here we go. My sugar would be sounding like it'd be about to come out, but it's still in the back of the bag.
Yeah, I was confused. I was like, what?
All right, here we go. Here goes the sugar. And we need some salt. And a little bit of pepper. No, just
Pepper. Look, we ain't making dinner. Bro, what just came off? What
I think that's
what is that,
little
bro?
chocolate.
Bro, use the knife to get that
That's a
out.
little chocolate. That's chocolate, bro. That's chocolate.
Taste it. Alright, we gonna tell them it's chocolate or not.
That's chocolate.
Look, let me see if it tastes like. Hold on. Okay, this one. Salty enough, but not too salty.
You ugly for that. All right, now we're gonna get it wet. Mix it up first and then with it.
Cash Money AP.
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh, begging on a check.
We went and stack out them digits. Yeah. We went and hang with the richest. We made the stay with the fittest. They coming to work for a ticket. Go bite in the looking for a bag. I'm mixing it up in the lab. We wanna stack them digits, yeah. We wanna stack them digits. How about the whip?
Okay, so we wanted to keep the cookie dough balls in in the freezer.
Okay.
Boy.
It's starting. So like.
Turn that down.
Just hurry up. Let's go.
We wanted to keep the cookie dough balls in the freezer this entire time, so we won't let them melt. So go ahead and fix your eyes. It's super cold right now.
Yeah, we let them freeze for a good like 30 to 40 minutes.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, this scaring me, bro.
And then we ain't got no more oil after this.
Now we're gonna batter them up and put them in there. Right.
This is the aftermath.
Whoa!
I did not realize that it melted, bro. I thought this was a chocolate, bro.
What was that, the burnt chocolate?
Y'all.
Oh yeah, when he brought them out, I thought chocolate was
This
hanging
why you
up
should go
with
get
me.
some metal tongs.
Why do you even have rubber thumbs, bro?
What, they rubber?
No.
Or plastic?
Or plastic, but still, when you see something hot like that, look. Bro, wait, bro, it's still burnt cookie on that. Get out there.
He do not. He don't care.
Don't care, dog. You gonna be over there eating burnt cookies.
Burnt cookies.
Oh my gosh, dude.
That's
So,
burnt cookie.
we got one in there right now, so we're gonna get a few more. See, the first time we had dry batter, which was, I don't know what we was thinking. So now we
It
have,
wasn't even batter. It was just flour.
yeah, it wasn't
And
batter.
just
So now we have more of a moist paste. And as you can see, these are frozen like you said. This is the last batter the little last stuff we had. So it's pretty much just gonna coat it with more. I mean, I don't know. It's gonna do what it do. I'm just gonna let a few in here.
come on, let's hurry. Come on, please. It's getting out of control.
And we just
Oh, you put them all in there?
just so that they can just. All right.
Ooh.
All right. You should pick from that.
All right, you ready?
First, test the water. Test the oil.
Oh
You're
man.
making a mess. There you go.
Test the Meech. Fingertips only.
All right, that's ready. You see, I didn't put that much that time.
You want too hard in the paint.
You gonna do it this time?
You want to dry these off first?
No, you're not gonna try.
So here we go.
Ooh, that sounds beautiful. I feel like these gonna come out perfect.
Second time was
Make sure they drenched when you put them in there.
That oil already looks sexy, to be honest.
I feel like they're gonna come out golden. Stay all froze together.
Go get it, yeah. Tap out, no, I'm with it. I'm out the back, I'm with it, yeah. Hop in the back and steal it. My nigga straight from them business. Look at me, you ain't in it, yeah. But when it's like them did it, yeah. But when it's like them did it. Young boy with no limit. Rockstar like I'm get it. That fast like I'm living. Don't ask how I'm living. Ain't nothing wrong, I'm rent it. Zula that boy, you lieutenant. Yeah, come in and best, I admit it. Woke up and realized I'm in it. Big boy, no brag. Big boy, I don't lack. Big bang by my back. Blue up bad, not back. Boy, what's going on, no lack. I don't consider for that. I cannot go for that. It's the keep on when I'm back, yeah. I wanna stack, someone to look like a hack. Back on my money, man, back on my music, man, back on my boy, where you at? Ooh, look at me, check out the stats, yeah. But for this boy, that's fact. And I'm back catching on track. Don't my split on no rat. I just learned to go and get it, yeah. I'm the best up in the city, yeah. I'm zoning when I'm for one Lenny, yeah. They say I'm body boy, Benny, yeah. This ain't a game. Stay in my lane, bet you ain't gon' know my name. Don't mean the same at the fame, yeah. We went and stack out them digits, yeah. We went in hand with the riches. We made the stay with the fittest. They coming in one for a ticket. Go buy the big for a bag. I'm mixing it up in the lab. We went and stack out them digits, yeah. We went and stack out them digits, yeah. How about the whip, go get it, yeah. Tap out, no, I'm with it. I'm out the back committed, yeah. Hop in the back and steal it. My nigga shit from the business. Don't come to me, you ain't in it, yeah. We went and stack out them digits, yeah. We went and stack out them digits. Big bags, big visions. All I see is big stats, big wishes. I'm not with the fake. Don't hop on when I make it. When I put on leads, I'ma wreck it. If you got a record, I'ma break it. That's on my own. I wanna go.
Oh, that shit disintegrated now.
See, Meech? We finna go back to, I smell it already. Look at it. It's right there. That's where that sizzle is. In the corner. Look at it. In the corner. In the corner.
Bro, what's it?
Don't leave them in there too long.
It's gone, bro.
Alright, let's turn it off.
Alright.
Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's try and see how they taste. Okay, so we just finished frying the cookie dough, and we want y'all to take a look. Ooh, look beautiful. Look very beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna dig right in.
Buddy, dog, you picked a good one, Renzo. Y'all picking good ones.
Make it up in one now.
Oh, wait, you
You
ready?
feel like Pac-Man goes.
He's like mini corn dogs to me.
3,
Toast.
2.
I don't know.
It's not as good as I thought it was gonna be. He got one of the biggest ones.
Bro,
Took that bullet to the head.
Dog, this the one where the cookie fell out, I think.
Heck no, boy. Ain't no money.
Mine's dissolved, like
gotta
straight
make
dissolved.
Oh, oh,
Dog. All I see was.
where go?
Nigga, we all in the first bite. You already know this.
Oh,
Show them what the inside looks like.
It's crazy because it's like. It kind of tastes like a peanut butter.
Show them, get closer. Y'all, it's. Oh, that's better.
It's like a peanut butter cookie taste.
It gets stuck in your throat a little bit.
Dude. Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna go ahead and have another one.
It's good though.
it is, but it's a little weird, bro.
It's weird because of the texture, but the taste is there.
Y'all, definitely try this.
Bro, this is actually good, bro.
We did this, bro.
Just imagine eating this with ice cream. That's why I said ice cream, because this would have been good, bro. Hey, you know, look.
Give me, why you all get a pizza? Might as well stop so get my ice cream.
Okay, so out of 10, what do you think, Renzo? Okay, out of 10, what do you think, Debo?
Out of 10, bro.
Out of 10.
Think of it as some aside to something like
To ice cream.
If it was with ice cream, I'd give it like a 9.5, 10.
So the 9.
But without, I give it a 7.5.
Okay, that's fair. That's fair. What about you?
7.5.
No same range?
Well, ice cream, I'll give it a 10. Because I'm telling you, like, I'm the type, I mix it. I would have mixed that with some vanilla ice cream. Boy, I would have dug in. But by itself, It's kind of weird. It's like I can only eat one to make my throat dry.
Yeah.
So I think
Chocolate will do that to you
I
naturally.
think so. I think it's kind of like a 7. I'm gonna just say 7.
Yeah, I'm about in the 7 in that range. And I think it would taste a lot better with ice cream, but I feel like you guys should definitely try this fried cookie dough. Make sure that you do it with batter, like with actual batter, because we tried to do it, like we saw it on Google. Did not work out, almost burnt the house down. But you know, trial and error. So we tried it again, and it was delicious. It was good. It was a fun experience, right?
Definitely, definitely.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Meech. Make sure you like,
comment,
and subscribe. Come on now to the channel. So with that being said,
Make sure y'all comment on what other stuff y'all want us to fry.
yes, because we all open to suggestions. If it's fried bananas, ooh.
No, fried bananas is too.
We done with fruit, bro.
Fried bananas already a thing. Though.
Oh, you know what we should fry next? Some green tomatoes.
That's already a thing.
I don't care. I want
You
some.
want to fry something uncommon?
Yeah. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. With that being said, Meech.
Razivo.
Debo.
Suave on the beat.
I got no motive to just keep on moving, cause my feet been stuck in the sand. Ay. Stuck in the 20s, these 50s, these hundreds, the double up off of a bed. Ay. But they don't know, they won't understand. Too much regret that I'm holding my hand. Don't do what I want, but do what I can. I give it to you, I'm go get some land. I ain't never need nobody else to tell me what I gotta do, I got a plan. Yeah, whoa. Money overflowing in my pockets, need a bag, cause I've been holding in my pants. Yeah, whoa. I don't even need them. Got them looking at me cause I beat them. Now they finna see this how I treat them. So nothing coming like it easy. Jewelry on my wrist and on my neck. Ballin' with the shots and I'm a wreck. I ain't gotta worry about a check. You know when I come direct. Feel like a man cause I started with nothing. Now I'm on the road to $1 million, no problem. If I got money, my brothers got money. I told them don't worry, they know that I got them. Too many worries and too many problems. I want them to give me, they got me upset. I know I'm coming, don't beat it, I'm running, I'm coming back for you, don't never forget. Stay on the move.